board. And let me share, but I requested, so why I can't share my screen? Okay. That's weird. So I can't share my screen because, yeah, okay. You disabled me screen sharing. So why? Yeah, of course, of course. It's yeah, recording, but I can't share. You know, I want to share the screen, but I can't.
How I think now it's okay.
Yeah, let me check.
No, not yet.
Of course, now is okay.
Of course. Okay.
Well, okay. So old school. Okay, let's make an example using this one. Old school.
Old school. Old school. Okay. Okay. Word is the kind of old school,
Yeah,
a kind of old school to to settle the conflict
yeah,
between countries.
yeah, yeah, old school. Well, let me say something here. When we say older school, as I told you, it's something like is used to talk about, you know, good qualities that was more common maybe in the past. So you can use it to talk about someone that maybe who have good qualities, but that used to be common, you know, more common in the past. So you can say, for example, elderly gentlemen, so of the older school. So you can say something like this. So it can be used for different, maybe something like some common maybe qualities in the past. Maybe in the past that was good, but not now. Something like older school.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Old school.
Yeah. Okay. For example, let me say something. In some actually movies, especially about, you know, action movies, the
Yes.
older school usually thinks older school means, you know, experienced one, the person who actually has more experience in actually his or her job or something, usually thinks they are better than the younger criminals, especially in, you know, criminal movies. So the older people, you know, something like all the schools think that we are better than you younger. So you are young, you're not experienced. So we know the better methods. Somehow, you know, like this. Get it?
Yeah.
Good. Well, and today's structure, it's passive form, to be allowed to do something.
Yeah.
For example, you are allowed to enter your, for example, colleague's room or office. So you are allowed, I am allowed to, for example, drink this water. So something like this. Okay, so we have be M is R, depending on the subject, plus load, plus to,
Okay.
and verb base form, because we say infinitive with to. You are allowed to. It means someone allow you to do something. So it's something like we make a passive form. As I told you, passive is a really good structure that can be used in different situations, formal, informal, writing, speaking. That's really good. When no matter who does an action, the action is important. When I say you are allowed, who allows? No matter, but you are allowed. So you have permission to do something. So you
Yeah.
are allowed to study again if you have difficulty in understanding the lesson. So you have
Yeah.
permission to do it. Okay, would you make an example including you are allowed or be allowed to?
Okay. Mhm. Okay. Uh, Employee are allowed to eat or drink in the office, but worker working in the factory are not.
So, but workers, no. Factory workers, no. So factory
Yes,
workers are
factory
not
worker. Yes,
allowed. Of
factory
course,
worker
factory workers are not
are not
allowed.
allowed.
Very
Are
good.
not
Are
allowed.
not allowed.
Yeah.
Very good. Now, I think this structure is really easy and you know this, how to use this. But if you have any questions, so you can ask me now. I think it's really easy. So I'm not going
Okay.
to
No.
talk.
Yes.
Yeah.
Clear.
Okay. Very good.
Yeah.
And now we're going to watch the video together. So, and answer questions. What are the advantages of e-learning? Do you agree with what the speaker has already said in the video? So let me play this video. Okay, let me open the file. So unit 4. This is unit 7. Why 4? Okay. And let me share this one. Okay, I think I need to new share this one.
Anywhere, anytime. Online courses can be taken in multiple settings and are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to better accommodate your busy schedule. Your training can take place on the road, in the cafe, or any other place you have an internet-accessible computer. Learn what you really need. Learners may have the option to select learning materials that meet their level of knowledge and interest. Travel costs. Reduces travel costs and time needed to travel to and from school. Learn at your own pace. When a student sits in the lecture, he must adapt himself to the rhythm of the class. One cannot linger on which some students don't understand. There's also no opportunity to run ahead and to skip on points that to certain people seem clear and to others not. Of course, when the student is in control of the pace of the lesson, as he is via the internet, he can do as he desires. He can skip ahead, return backwards, stop the lesson, and to be helped with the online material so he gains a proper understanding of the subjects. It's possible to view 3 consecutive lectures at the same time, so it saves time, and it's possible to view just parts of lectures.
Okay. Well, and now let me share the book again. Well, okay, so What are the advantages of e-learning? So what do you think according to the video? And do you agree with the speaker?
Yes, I'm agree with the speaker.
I agree.
With
Just I agree because
I am agree.
I
agree.
am no,
Sorry,
I
I
agree.
agree.
Yeah, of course.
I agree. Yes, I agree with the speaker opinion. Uh,
And what are the advantages of
and
e-learning?
yeah, yes, we can be proactive on scheduling, scheduling, and let's say you can learn anytime, anywhere. If you can get access the internet,
Yeah,
and you can adjust the pace you according to your understanding.
of course, of course. So you can watch something again,
Uh,
you can check it again. Yeah, return
and yeah,
backward,
um,
forward, of course.
uh, uh,
Yeah. And do you agree that actually the e-learning has made it much easier to access the teacher as quickly, anywhere, anytime, so whenever, so you can access to the teacher? Do you agree?
yeah,
For example, now,
that's,
anytime, whenever you need, you can actually text me on Skype or, for example, Zoom, so that you can access to me. So actually, we can talk on topics and something like. So, do you think it makes it much easier to access the teacher?
you're to uh yes, because let's say uh we are in a circumstance. You say we can access to internet easily now. So we can
Yeah,
we are available to access uh,
yeah,
easier,
of course,
easier.
much easier,
Yes,
of
yeah,
course. So that you can actually access to the teacher quickly, wherever
quickly.
you
Yeah,
are, of course.
yeah,
Well, okay, and that's it. Okay, we discussed this topic in detail, and well, any questions, any issues related to this word? Any questions, any issues,
yeah.
something that you
No,
want to ask
no,
me?
no.
No?
Yeah, no.
Okay,
Yes,
well, okay. So thank you. Time is over and we need
yes,
to go. It was really good time with
yeah,
you, and thank you. And have a brilliant
yeah.
good
Thank you,
night. You're
thank you
welcome.
very much. Good night.
You're
Or see
welcome.
you, see you
Of
next time.
course. See you. Good night.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.